Hi, Jaimin bhai. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
How are you doing?
Sir, all great, sir. What about you?
I am doing great. Thank you. Pleasure to see you. I welcome you to Life Learning Learning. On behalf of Life Learning Learning, there is a warm welcome to the life coaching. As you are going to be a part of this family, Life Learning Learning family. First thing I want you to know about the vision, mission, and core values. Okay. As you are into the life learning currently and under life coaching, we will give you this why, what is vision, how do we match our vision, okay, what are the missions that we carry, and what are our core values. Core values means you are paying price, right? You are paying us money, correct? On behalf of that money, what will you get? So what are the values as an organization we believe in, and also you need to carry the value as being a part of the organization, right? So first we will start with the vision, mission, and values of our own family. Right? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Shall we move further?
Sure, sir.
Okay, so this is your life and business coach, Shyam Patel. Okay, and I'll take you through the vision, mission, values of our company. Next slide. What is the objective of this session? End of the session, you should know what are the what is the vision, what are the mission of company, and what are the values. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Do you know what is our vision? Because I think you enrolled and registered for this life coaching batch more than 15 days, right? Did you know what is our vision? Did you read it? Or can you guess what is there?
Sir, any message? So will further continue, sir.
Okay. Fine, no problem. So we'll go to the next slide. As I said, we will discuss vision, mission, and values. Okay. First, let us understand what is vision, mission, and values for any organization. I'm sure you have studied during your, the academics. But for any organization in practical life, if we see vision means why do we exist, you know, and what do we aim to achieve. So for any organization, important क्या होता है किसी भी organization के लिए कि वो organization क्यों exist कर रहा है, ठीक है, और वो क्या achieve करना चाहता है. That's a vision for the company, right? So we will also discuss that why do we exist and what do we want to achieve, right? A mission are the ways to achieve the vision. So what are the operations and set of activities we carry as an organization that we will see to achieve our vision. And values, of course, what we bring to the society, to our own employees, to our society, our customers, everybody, right? So this we
Yes.
will see. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Fine. So we will go one by one. Next slide. Vision statement is actually the no. It says that what the world will look like after you have finished changing it. Means you can see that currently the corona has taken place, right?
Yes, sir.
Since the life has changed, the living standard, we don't go out to avoid the health problems, the social
Lifestyle.
problems.
Yeah, lifestyles have been
Yes.
changed.
So everything has changed. So now during this change, we have come up with a platform where person could learn by sitting at home. We are also offering a platform where person can earn, right? Because there are a lot of corporate who wants the people to work from home, but be
Yes.
self-disciplined and work and deliver the productivity, and they will give you
Yes.
salary. This has also empowered the ease of working, from any corner of the world. So currently, person can sit in any corner of the world and he can make money anywhere, right? So we are into the process of empowering the virtual learning platform, and especially we want to work for the life development and business development. We also inspire the new vision, new ideas, right? So the once we will achieve our vision, I'm sure that we will have a lot of candidates, lot of lives, who are doing better, and they are living happy, healthy, and young, right? So that
Yes.
is what we aim to do. So we will see that what is our vision, what exactly we want to achieve, and how the world will look like. Next slide. Okay. Why do we exist? So the first is we empower happy, healthy, and prosperous lives and businesses. Right? We are saying happy, healthy, and prosperous. So there are specific ways. This is our vision. We want to inspire and empower people who want to just have these three things: happy, healthy, and prosperous lives.
Yes, ma'am.
What do we aim to achieve? So that we can collectively heal the planet and transition into the era of global peace and prosperity. देखो, ऐसा होता है बिना समझ के इंसान सब कुछ नहीं पा सकता. बट व्हेन यू अंडरस्टैंड, साइकिल चलाई है आपने,
Yes, sir.
तो साइकिल में क्या करना पड़ता है? साइकिल हमें क्या सिखाती है? बैलेंस
We
करना.
have to just balance and pedal and
करेक्ट. कार चलाते हैं तो भी हमें बैलेंस करना पड़ता है. हम ट्रैफिक में किसी को भी धक्का मार के आगे नहीं बढ़ सकते, राइट? हमें ट्रैफिक में स्लो चलना है. जब खुला रास्ता हो, एक्सप्रेस हाईवे पे हो, तो उसकी स्पीड के हिसाब से चलना है. दैट मीन्स वी हैव टू बैलेंस, isn't it? According to the circumstances, situation, right? So here we are saying that once you learn balancing, you will always get happy, healthy, and prosperous lives. And yearning is a continuous process. The fourth factor is the yearning, which person will keep learning and growing, right? Isn't it? So we exist to give you happiness, healthiness, and prosperous yearning life, right? Also, we want to global peace. Once you achieve your basic needs, and you will understand that what are my basic needs as a human, what do I want, and once you get those all the things, you will achieve the peace. Then your vision will empower. क्योंकि भूखे पेट ना दुनिया बदलने की नहीं सोचा था, पहले खाना चाहिए, राइट? घर पे अगर खाना नहीं है, पैसा नहीं आया, तो इंसान शांति से बैठ के कुछ और नहीं सोच सकता, isn't it?
yes, sir. It's
So our vision is to inspire the people to learn new knowledge, know something which is new, which is about your life development, business development, and then you achieve the peace. So collectively we heal the planet and transition into the era of global peace and prosperity. Everybody would be happy, everybody would be on peace. So that is our vision. Am I clear with this?
yes, sir.
And trust my words, peace only can be achieved with the understanding and acceptance. Two things. I repeat my statement. Peace only can be achieved through the understanding and acceptance. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So could you just read our vision statement for once entirely?
Yes, sir. So why do we exist? So we empower happy, healthy, and prosperous lives and business. And what do we aim to achieve? Is that so we can collectively heal the planet and transition into an era of global peace and prosperity.
राइट? तो अंत में आपको क्या मिलना चाहिए? पीस मिलना चाहिए, है ना? Am I clear with this?
Yes, sir.
And you can imagine, as I say, once all of us will achieve the peace, happiness, healthiness, prosperity,
Prosperity.
how the world will look like. That is what the vision of an organization. Am I clear with this?
Yes.
Shall we go to the next slide? Our mission statement. So our mission statement says that what's wrong with the world and how you intended to fix. तो अभी दुनिया को हो क्या गया है? तो आप देखो लाइफ तो लोग जी रहे हैं, but they are not healthy. They are facing health problems. Some of them,
They're not
some of
happy.
them are facing. Yes, some of them you are not happy. No, like, a lot of people are there. You said once like कि सर मुझे फ्रीडम ऑफ टाइम चाहिए, फ्रीडम ऑफ जगह चाहिए, पैसा चाहिए, ये नहीं है तो सर मैं एंजॉय नहीं कर रहा, है ना? और ये आज सबकी प्रॉब्लम, हेल्थ के लिए टाइम नहीं मिलता, फैमिली के टाइम नहीं है फैमिली के लिए, या तो पैसा कम पड़ रहा है, राइट? सो दिस आर द प्रॉब्लम्स विद द वर्ल्ड. We want to develop, psychosocial skill of a person or a business, where they will just achieve their own vision. So ये प्रॉब्लम्स तो है, इस प्रॉब्लम के लिए हम बहुत सारे मिशन, हम लोग बहुत सारे काम कर रहे हैं. So let's see that to achieve, to tackle these problems, how do we do our work? What are the activities do we do? Right? So shall we go to the next slide?
Yes, sir.
Okay. तो अभी आप देख रहे हो कि लाइफ डेवलप, तो लाइफ डेवलपमेंट के अंदर वी आर डूइंग लाइफ कोचिंग. व्हाट इज द ऑब्जेक्टिव ऑफ लाइफ कोचिंग? Now, objective of life coaching is, as I said, people get the degree, okay, but they do not get the capabilities and confidence according to the degree. Okay, they do not get the new ideas or the proper understanding about themselves. They do not have it because they haven't gone through such a scientific approach or a process, and they never took self initiative like you have taken. Right? So life development is basically the service. Life coaching is a part of life development, where we serve with the knowledge which includes the 21st century knowledge, skills, and abilities which person should get. And it will help you with the understanding, as I said, it will give you knowledge what you need, you will do practice, and then you will make your own opinion and decision. So you will be able to grow with your own vision, mission, and values in your life. Right? So we offer services which actually helps the person to develop life. There are a lot of people who wants to, like there are tons of people in India or other countries, they want to speak English, but they don't have, the base of grammar, which is very fluent. Even I am not good. See, nobody is perfect.
Yeah, yes.
But you should try. You should keep improving yourself day by day. And for that, you should know the base of grammar. And in the entire world, let me tell you, nobody speaks very perfect or grammatically or any ways perfect English. There would be a very less population. Right? But yes, we should be able to communicate where other people can understand. है ना? इंग्लिश तो बोलना है, तो इंग्लिश के लिए क्या करना चाहिए? मुझे पहले ग्रामर का बेस करना चाहिए पक्का. सो वी हैव डेवलप प्लेटफॉर्म कि जहाँ पे इंसान ग्रामर सीख सकता है. तो ग्रामर सीखने की एज नहीं होती. जब भी इंग्लिश बोलने को दिल करे, सबसे पहले आप ग्रामर सीखिए, देन यू डेवलप योर वोकैबुलरी, and then you will be able to have that confidence where you can speak. Right? We also offer IELTS because people are looking for that. There are services called mock interviews. There are a lot of life development services we offer. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Which inspires and empowers the self-growth, life development for an individual or group. Is it?
Yes, sir.
There are other activities we do. We offer business development services. What a business development services is, basically we offer individual coaching, which is like, the people who want to empower themselves related to their business, specifically their profession. So we offer a lot of business development services which helps the organization to enjoy their journey by being balanced, the personal policies, people and process oriented organization. So we include a lot of activities which you will see going forward, right? And the third activity we include is we create vision. So we empower people. We believe in teamwork. So we believe that teamwork makes the dream work. Everybody has dreams. So we welcome their dreams. We welcome associations, growth, learning at every level. So these are the three basic missions that we carry and the set of activities which we follow. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Shall I go to the next one? So here we will see the one by one all services. Right? Can you just read them one by one for me? So you will have a clarity what we offer in life development services.
Life coaching, English speaking, mock interviews, job and employment interviews, IELTS, relationship counseling.
Yes. So now you can read what is the objective of life coaching, which is given to the next box.
Objective of life coaching is to improve personality, communication, and self-confidence.
Is it right? Did you get that? What is objective of life coaching?
Yes, yes.
This is our one of our service, right? Then English speaking. What is the objective of English speaking?
To improve basic English grammar and speaking practice.
Yeah. So here we empower the basic learners, the beginners. जिन लोग को इंग्लिश नहीं आता है वो हिंदी में या गुजराती में इंग्लिश के साथ वर्डिंग और ग्रामर सीखना चाहते हैं एक लिंक में उन लोगों को हम यहाँ पे एम्पावर करते हैं सो एक सिस्टमेटिक अप्रोच से वो लोग भी सीखते हैं जिससे उनका कॉन्फिडेंस बढ़ता है राइट देन व्हाट इज नेक्स्ट
Mock interviews, self capability assessment.
Yes, so we offer mock interview which is totally free of cost. This is a 45 minutes of process where person individual can take the demonstration of their own assessment and they may know that where do they stand. I think you have taken it when before you enrolled.
Yes, yes.
And then you enrolled, right? I'm sure that was very helpful.
It was very, very helpful for me. And
so it's a free
actually,
service.
Yes, yes.
So that's a free service we offer for the society development to help individuals to know their current stand and how they could improve them, right? And then you can read the next one.
Job employment interview. So like find job opening with our clients.
Correct. So as you know that we are into business development also and we have a lot of clients. You are aware that they have some certain openings with them, job openings. And as we are their consultant, we help them to hire the manpower, which is our one of the business development service which we offer to the corporate. And here we offer the placement to the candidate. Okay. We do not charge anything for the placement, but of course we charge for the training and development. Right. Then you can read the next one.
IELTS, gain proficiency and high score. Thanks.
Okay. Here we have a the special coach. I would say that coaches are there. There are a lot of people who are involved in this, but we hire the best for the IELTS. Like who can understand your age, who can understand your psychology, who has already appeared for it, who has mastered it, and he started from the beginning. So they can help you. So we have a very specific coach selection here who can help according to the age criteria and the standard process they have to take you through, right? Also, it helps with the guide that what do you need once you reach there. So along with the IELTS, you also get the basic idea about getting settled in abroad, right? So that's a unique point of IELTS coaching. Then last one.
Relationship counseling. Find balance between your emotions and behavior.
Yes, trust me, this is very much needed. I'll ask you one question. Be fair, huh, please. I want you to be fair. Have you fallen in love with anyone?
Yes, sir.
प्यार हुआ है? अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा। और कहते को स्माइल तो देखो, वाह, सबको होता है, चिंता मत करो। अगर जिसको नहीं हुआ तो वो इंसान नहीं, ठीक है? I would
सान
say
नहीं है.
that. Okay. And have you felt, depression in love or any other movement from parents, school, college, tension, ऐसा कुछ भी, किसी
Yes,
भी
sir.
जगह से आपको लगता है उस टाइम पे लाइफ बर्बाद हो जाती है? मतलब साइकोलॉजिकली हम लोग टूटते जाते हैं, जिससे हेल्थ पे भी बहुत अफेक्ट होता है।
Yes, but it can be like हम उससे बाहर निकल सकते हैं.
करेक्ट, आप निकल सकते हैं। तो काफी सारे लोग होते हैं जिनके पास कैपेबिलिटीज नहीं होती। थैंक टू द गॉड दैट यू फॉल नो you have fallen in that category and you were able to come out. There are a lot of people who approach and they try to do it, but they are unable to come out of it. So we also help them. Of course, we charge for that. So that's a specific thing. They can take it and they can, have a counseling or a help from our experts to come out from those, stage and make your life better. So that's our one of the service, right? Because there we teach about the abuse management, the emotion management, how your thoughts are being processed and everything. And here we work one-on-one. So the charges are applied accordingly, right? So are you clear about our life development services that we offer?
Yes, sir.
And does it serve the happy, healthy and prosperous yearning life to the people?
Yes, sir.
Are we doing it?
Obviously. Yes, yes, sir.
Yes. So these are the life development services which will help the person, and any individual can choose it for the purpose of their self and life development according to their need. So as I said, there are problems and we are here to serve the exactly answers we are giving to the problems. And trust my words, in life coaching, we are the master and we are the first one. We give 100% fees refund from the company. There is you can see that 100% fees refund guarantee is given,
Guarantee.
right? And the policies are there, right, which nobody offers. So we are pretty confident that you will take the values from us and you will go, because you have paid the price. So we are bound to give you that capabilities and confidence. During your life coaching, you are going to get. And trust my words, life coaching is one of the best and wonderful program that everyone should take it for their self development and growth. Anybody can take it from any age, but it is recommended majorly from the 15th, after age of 15, and 15 to 35 or 45, because after 15 nobody will think of changing their life. Yeah, right. And before 15 also nobody would be interested to make their life. They would be more interested to play with the games and bats. Right?
Yeah,
Am I
that is the
clear?
harsh reality. Yes, sir.
So shall we go to the next slide?
Yes, sir. Sure, sir.
Here we talk about business development services. As a part of our mission, we include a lot of business development activities. The first is business development coaching, okay, which helps, that is for the top management people, the company who wants to develop their top management. Basically, this is the target audience where they can take this coaching specific duration plan. During this process, they will analyze, plan, estimate their own business strategies, their process, their people, and everything, right? We also offer business coaching, which is the last, where we affect on their, we be a part of their organization. We keep our team on place and we help them to develop their process, people, and policies. So, which is the last service. Okay. Now, business beginner entrepreneur coaching. People who want to start their business, I'm sure they don't have a knowledge. For example, currently you are learning about vision, mission, values, right? But establishing vision, mission, values for your own organization will be a very tedious task for you, right? For developing website, developing process, you need a lot of things, back and work. you don't have a knowledge about how to go about. So we have a very specific live coaching, individual coaching, where person does one-on-one work we do with the coaching, and we help them to start and save their time and cost. So they can set their process. They can also save their time and cost. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
So we aim to empower the entrepreneurs with a specific coach. Then you can see the manpower service. As I said in the beginning itself, that we have a lot of clients and they have manpower requirements. They just place their requirements with us. We filter according to their needs as we know their policies, their process, and what they exactly require. So we, be the consultant and we place the candidates for them. So we identify the candidates from the market or through our internal source or from our, yes, of course, our internal trained candidate gets first chance, right? Because they are enough capable and we know them, right? So that's our manpower service. Is it clear?
Yes.
Then training and development services. We offer specific job-related training and development services to all organizations. It is customized program which are designed for the staff development according to the need of an organization. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
We also help, as we are the training and development organization, we help organization to develop specific training and development content and process for their own organization. If they wish to develop their own training and development internal department, we just help them, right, with content development and everything. That's our one-off service. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
The last service, process, people, and policies development, I have already explained, right? That we be part of their organization. And trust my word, it helps them to, achieve enjoy their vision journey by being very balanced process, people, and, the policy-oriented organization. So that is what exactly we do in business development services. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Any question that you would like to ask?
No, sir, not now.
So could you just read them one by one, those services, so you will come to know that what we do as an organization into the business development service.
So in business development coaching, analyze, plan, estimate your business strategies and solutions. And in beginners entrepreneur coaching, helping you to save your cost and time while begin your journey as an entrepreneur with step-by-step coaching. Manpower services, in recruiting qualified and capable manpower that represents your brand. Training and development services, improve your efficiency and behavior of current staff. Content development, creating communication training model and modules for your organization. Process, people, and policies for policies development. Enjoy your vision journey by developing process, people, and policies.
So am I clear with our business development services?
Yes, sir.
So Jaimin bhai, when you are here for life coaching, why you should know about business development? मैं पहला જ
Actually,
કહ્યું. તમે કહેશો મને કેમ જાય, હું તમને કેમ જણાવી રહ્યો છું આ સર્વિસ?
Sir, for business development and we have to change ourselves for
No,
this. We have to be ready for this.
એ તમારી જાણકારી
Or
માટે
big.
હું તમને કેમ કહી રહ્યો છું, ફરી એક વખત ઓબ્જેક્ટિવ ક્લિયર કરું છું. તમે અમારી કંપની સાથે જોડાયા છો, રાઈટ? આજે હું છું, તમે છો, બધા જ આપણે આ કંપની સાથે જોડાયા છે. તો કંપની વિશે જાણવું પહેલા, કોઈ પણ કંપની સાથે કાલે આપ કામ કરવા જાઓ તો પણ તમારે એના વિઝન વેલ્યુ પહેલા જાણવા જોઈએ. તો તમને અત્યારે લાઈફ કોચિંગમાં વિઝન વેલ્યુ બતાવવામાં આવી રહ્યા છે. કેમ કે તમે કોની સાથે જોડાયા છો, એ કંપની શું કરે છે અને આમાંથી તમે મેક્સિમમ બેનિફિટ શું ડ્રો કરી શકો છો, તમે એ જાણી શકો એટલા માટે. કેમ કે હવે તમે પણ આમનો પાર્ટ છો ને. So you are also part of this organization, and that is the reason you should know the vision, mission, and values of an organization, right? Because you are part, so all of us are moving in that direction, right? So as an organization, what life learning and does, that you should know very specially and specifically. That is the reason you are being explained each part. Am I clear with this?
Yes, sir.
So yeah, first you should know why. Why are you going through vision, mission, values of a company, right? है ना, आपको सबसे पहले पता होना चाहिए क्योंकि आप उसका पार्ट हो इसके, राइट? Shall we move to the next slide? हमने बिजनेस
Yes.
डेवलपमेंट आपको क्लियर कर दिया, एक्टिविटीज ना। अभी क्रिएटिंग विजन, तो क्रिएटिंग विजन में हम करते क्या है, राइट? क्रिएटिंग विजन में हम इनवाइट करते हैं अलग अलग लोगों को हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए. So we have different activities. Could you just read them one by one?
Yes, sir. Life and business counselor, business partner, life and business coach, corporate
Yes.
association, CSR distribution, rule.
Yes. So life and business counselor, उसका ऑब्जेक्टिव क्या है?
Grow as a qualified and certified life and business counselor.
Yes. जो इंसान हमारे साथ जुड़ना चाहते हैं उनको पहले काउंसलर के रूप में शुरुआत करनी पड़ती है. Then there is a process where they can grow within the organization. तो लोग हमारे साथ जुड़ सकते हैं और जैसे आप लाइफ बना रहे हो, आप दूसरों को भी बता सकते हो इसके बारे में. By being counselor, you can guide others to make their life. That is what the objective is. So we invite the teacher, doctor, the professionals and corporate, the happy people who are already have made their life, who are living happy, healthy, prosperous and yearning life. So there is no age bar. So we invite them to be counselor and guide today's youth, know our process, so they can also learn and earn, right? Even retired people, anybody can join, right? Even youngsters like you who want to grow up as a the counselor, or they want to just an entrepreneur, they can join us, right? The second you can read.
Business partner, partner with us and own your business and team.
Yes. So here we invite institutions, we invite individuals and corporate who wants to be business partner. They want to own their own team. And as we are creating the brand and we have set everything. So they can grow up, they can associate with us and grow up as a business partner also. So that is a growth path where person can go up to the senior business partner, and they can have revenue, they can be a part of organization and right. Then next,
Life and business coach, experience the excellence and expertise with us.
boss, I love this because I am one among them. Senior life and business coach. And I can tell you this organization is such a wonderful platform where person would grow as a life and business coach. So you will master it. So we invite all talent and trainer and coach to be a part of life and business coach. But of course, we have a process. Before becoming life and business coach with us, you have to start from the scratch. Like first, you need to be life and business counselor. Once you grow up and you become executive life and business counselor, then you can be a coach. Their development program and everything will be done, and then you will be given the task. Right? So we do not have a external entries in the organization. We have only internal promotion for this particular program. Then you can read.
Corporate association, collaborate, coordinate, and cooperate for mutual growth and development.
Yes. So we invite all association, whether it's a corporate or an individual. Okay. We want to grow together. So we synchronize and we identify collaboration, coordinating, and cooperation for why, what, and how. Right? So anybody who is interested to learn and on and grow, we invite them. Right? Then next.
CSR distribution, consulting with businesses to carry out effective CSR activities. Sir, you are being.
Oh, sorry. Am I audible now?
Yes, sir.
CSR distribution basically refers to the, today a lot of corporates are there who are carrying corporate social responsibilities, but somewhere, somehow, those effectiveness of those activities are missing, and they want their effectiveness to be empowered. So we associate with them and we help them to carry out effective CSR activities, right, which will actually generate values for their own organization, and also it will affect to the society. Right? So we want to help organizations to increase the effectiveness of CSR activities. That is what we are doing currently. The last,
Owner, we welcome kind-hearted institutes and individuals to empower self-learning and earning through sponsoring scholarships.
see here, I would be more specific. I believe that this has to be one of the most powerful approach, because today the middle class, the people who are actually willing to grow, but they do not have much money, or they have money but they are not getting inspired. But if you, some donor will come up and they will offer some amount of money to the those candidates, and then they will empower. And these people actually needs this. You know, I would say that these people actually need it, because they are not getting government benefits or anything. But if they are empowered, they are self-willing to grow. I think some donors should take initiative to inspire and empower people who are willing to grow themselves first. So here we invite donors around the world, and we want them to offer the scholarship according to whatever they want to do to the candidate. So those candidates will empower to learn more. So these are the our activities. They creating vision, and in creating vision, basically we look for the association in more and more ways. So we can come up with a new dreams and we can achieve more. Am I clear with this?
Yes, sir.